One, two, three. What is your favorite thing to do on a rainy day?
My favorite thing to do on a rainy day is to read a book or watch a movie. I also like to play board games or video games with my friends.
Who is your best friend and what makes them a good friend?
My best friend is my neighbor, Sarah. She's always there for me, no matter what. She's also really funny and makes me laugh all the time.
What is your favorite thing about going to school?
My favorite thing about going to school is learning new things. I also like to make new friends and play with my classmates.
Do you prefer school lunch or bringing a lunchbox and why?
I prefer bringing a lunchbox to school. I like to pack my own food and know that it's healthy and delicious.
What are you most grateful for?
I'm most grateful for my family and friends. They always support me and make me feel loved.
What was your favorite part of your day today?
My favorite part of my day today was playing soccer with my friends. We had so much fun and I scored a goal.
What was your least favorite part of your day today?
My least favorite part of my day today was doing my math homework. It was really hard and I didn't understand it.
What was the funniest thing that happened today?
The funniest thing that happened today was when my dog, Charlie, chased his tail and got stuck. We all laughed so hard.
What was the hardest thing you had to do today?
The hardest thing I had to do today was tell my mom that I lost my homework. She was really disappointed in me.
What was the best thing in your lunch today?
The best thing in my lunch today was my chocolate chip cookie. It was so soft and gooey.
Who did you play with today?
I played with my friends Sarah and Emily today. We had a lot of fun playing tag and hide and seek.
If you could make up a holiday, what would you call it, and what would it celebrate?
If I could make up a holiday, I would call it Friendship Day and it would be a day to celebrate all of our friends.
Do you think it's better to be funny or smart?
I think it's better to be funny and smart. Funny people make me laugh and smart people make me think.
What do you like to do when you're bored?
When I'm bored, I like to read, play video games, or watch TV.
What's your favorite animal and why?
My favorite animal is a dog. They're loyal, friendly, and always happy to see you.
If you could have any superpower, what would it be and why?
If I could have any superpower, I would want to be able to fly. I would love to be able to travel the world and see all the amazing places.
What's your favorite book and why?
My favorite book is The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe by C.S. Lewis. It's an amazing story about friendship, courage, and good versus evil.
What's your favorite movie and why?
My favorite movie is The Lord of the Rings, The Fellowship of the Ring. It's an epic adventure with amazing special effects.
What's your favorite song and why?
My favorite song is Hallelujah by Leonard Cohen. It's a beautiful song about love and loss.
What's your favorite color and why?
My favorite color is blue. It's the color of the sky and the ocean, two of my favorite things.
What's your favorite food and why?
My favorite food is pizza. It's so delicious and there are so many different toppings to choose from.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a doctor when I grow up. I want to help people and make a difference in the world.
What's your biggest dream?
My biggest dream is to travel the world and experience different cultures.
What's something you're really good at?
I'm really good at playing soccer and video games.
What's something you're not so good at?
I'm not so good at math and science.
What's one thing you're afraid of?
I'm afraid of spiders. They're just so creepy.
What's one thing you're really excited about?
I'm really excited about starting middle school next year. I'm going to meet new people and make new friends.
If you could travel anywhere in the world, where would you go?
If I could travel anywhere in the world, I would go to Japan. I love the culture and the food.
What's your favorite memory?
My favorite memory is when I went to Disneyland with my family. We had so much fun and it was a magical experience.
What's something you're proud of yourself for?
I'm proud of myself for getting good grades in school. I worked really hard and it paid off.